Designing a productive, efficient and energised workforce is really hard. Work demands and capacity change rapidly. Focusing our people on the most important work seems impossible because there's a lot we don't see. Get below the surface with Beamible, a work design tool for HR leaders to spot risks, unlock opportunities and design a better workforce. Beamible's magic is in its unique human-centred methodology. Get visibility, analyse, rebuild better. First, see what your people are really doing. Then, analyse. Apply unique lenses to detect risks, spot opportunities, and expose hidden costs. Turn your data into actionable intelligence. Now, rebuild better. Plan, compare, and assess the ROI of more efficient workforce scenarios. Foresee challenges and pivot before they strike. Say goodbye to Excel and PowerPoint. Make dynamic role design, activity analysis and org design simpler, and focus your time and energy on the things that matter most. Amplify the value of your existing technology ecosystem. Don't just keep pace with the future, create it. From insight to foresight, Beamible is work designed.